Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you how to use Dogsix Online Last Seen Parental Control app. So you might be wondering what is Dogsix here and how do you start using it? So first, what is Dogsix? Now, Dogsix is a parental monitoring app designed to help families keep track of a child's online activity. Now, according to the official app description here, it provides insights into a child's online presence by showing activity pattern, last seen information, usage reports, and the app is available for both Android and iPhone, and is intended to give parents a better understanding of their family's digital habits. Now, the app offers several monitoring features. This includes real-time online and offline notifications, activity history, daily usage reports, and graphs that show online patterns over time. Now, parents can monitor multiple contacts at once, receive alerts whenever a selected contact becomes active or goes offline, and view detailed activity logs directly from the dashboard. Now, the app also includes options for setting preferred monitoring periods such as school hours or bedtime, and lets user managers manage notifications whenever they choose. Now, Dogsix here is free to download, but many of its monitoring features require a subscription. So on iPhone, the App Store lists subscriptions plans starting at $9.99 per week or $14.99 per month, while pricing may vary depending on your platform or region. Now, Google Play version also includes in-app purchases for premium access. Now, getting started here is quite simple. You just need to download the Dogsix from either from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and follow the setup process. Now, you don't need to create an account before adding a number you want to monitor. Now, once you've entered the contact here, the app begins generating activity reports from the main dashboard. Now, you can view last seen activity, receive online and offline notifications, check daily or hourly reports, and manage your notification preference. Now, if you want to monitor more than one contact, you can upgrade to a subscription here that supports tracking multiple numbers simultaneously. Now, the interface here is designed to keep everything in one place. The home screen displays the contacts you're monitoring, while separate sections provide activity graphs, usage history, notification settings, and subscription management. Now, the app also includes support section where subscribers can contact customer support if they do need some assistance. But that's about it. So, if you found this video, avoid the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.